In this video, we learn how to implement swipe left or swipe right for our items in Recycler view. When user swipe left, we want to delete a node, and when user swipe right, we want it to touch or uncheck it. In previous videos, we learned how to create a Recycler view. We created an array list of nodes and a node Recycler adapter. Now we want to implement swipe left or right for our Recycler view. First, create an object of type item.helper and pass a callback method to it. We name it callback method, which we define it later. Now use item.helper that attach to Recycler view and pass our Recycler view. Now create our callback method. It is of type item.helper that simple callback. We override two methods on move and on swipe. On move is used for drag and drop, and on swipe is used for swipe left or right. In this video, we want to swipe left or right, so we have to pass two parameters to our simple callback. The first one is for drag and drop, which we pass 0, and the second one is for swipe left or right, which we pass item.helper.right and or left. In our on swipe method, we get the position of swiped node. Now we use a switch statement, and if directions equals to left, we want to delete or node. And if direction equals to right, we want our node. If its is done property is changed, we want it to uncheck it, and if it is unchecked, we want to change it. To remove our node, we just use nodes that remove and pass position. Now that we removed our node, we have to pass changes to our Recycler view. Use Recycler view that get adapter that notify item removed and pass position. Now we create swipe right. Just get a node, the nodes that user swiped, and set its done property to negation of its done property. Now that we change our node, we have to send the changes to our Recycler view. Use the notify item change and pass position. Now run the app. This is our Recycler view, and when user swipe left, a node removes, and when user swipe right, it's is done property changed or unchanged. Now we want to add some style to this Recycler view. Go to build.gradle file. First, add a Maven repository. We want to use a library which is located in a Maven repository. So first add a Maven repository. Now add our library that we want to use, which is this line of code. Now finish the project. Now go back to main activity and After on swipe method, we override another method on child row. In this method, we use a class that is located in the library which we added before. Recycler view, swipe decorator, and use dot build method and pass all of on child row parameters to it. Now we can set some of its properties. For example, when user swipe left, we want to show a label, delete label. We want to set this label color to white. And we want to set an icon. First, we add a trash icon to our drawable. Add another icon for a change or unchange node. Now, for swipe left, we use our delete icon and set this icon tint to white. And set background color to red. Now we styled or swipe left. We just copy this code and paste it and just change left to right. For our label, we want to change delete to change or unchange and change our icon to our change icon and change background color to a green color and use create method and use decorate method. Now run the app. This is our recycler view, and when user swipe left, here is our icon, our label, and our background color. And when swipe right, here is our icon, label, and background color. Thank you for watching.